Hi, I'm Katherine. I'm a student at SocraTech. I'm doing a web development bootcamp, and in this opportunity, I want to show you the project that I've made as a mid-bootcamp project. The project consisted on developing an app for bands to promote themselves. So this is a diagram of the entity relation, where a band can have many events, and the events are made by one band. These are the attributes of the band ID, the name, the genre, the email description, the password, the phone number, and the band image. And then the event attributes, the event ID, the location, the date, the time, and the event image. So to execute all this, I used MySQL and I created a database named bands and two tables, which are the attributes that I mentioned before. So these are the attributes here, and for example, the band ID is the primary key, and auto increment. And so this is the varchar, the number of characters for each one of the attributes. For example, the email has to be unique, meaning that two bands can't have the same email. And this is a table event. So obviously these tables are related. The bands, each event is related to one specific band. So this is the app. I named it Spotify, and this would be the home display. So these are all the bands that have registered. And so if you click, for example, this one, the band South Panas. This is the description of the band. I mean, the genre, the description depends on what the band wants to say about themselves, and the contact number. So if you click more details, you get to the South Panas profile. And this is the section where you can see there are common events. This one, for example, has none. So I will create one. Let's say that the next concert will be in Bilbao, and the address is Peter Street, and so the date and the time. Look at that. So let's upload an image. Let's choose this one, and then we click add event. So you get to see it in their page. It is here, City Bilbao. And if we, for example, want to edit this one, I mean, we have two options. We can either edit it or delete it. So first, let's edit it. And we change the city to Santander. Let's just change it. Or maybe let's change also the date. Let's put that is going to be on April 18. And then we leave the same image and we click save. So the concert is not in Bilbao anymore, it's in Santander. So if for some reason the band wants to delete that event because they're not able to to go, then they just have to click delete and it's fully deleted from their page. See? Okay. So if we click join on the navbar, then that's the view of the registration form. And we can create a new band. Let's say we'll create a band called Cassette. And then the gender is rock. And the email is cassette. And the password and the description, music is live. And then number. And we upload a picture. Let's pick this one, and we click join. So it takes you to the home page so it gets added to the other band's view, let's say. So it is here, band cassette. So if we try to change the screen size, then it gets like this. If we want to see, for example, the view on a mobile phone, it gets like this. If we click band cassette, where is it? It's the last one. Oh, there are so many bands. It's this one. And so you get to see their profile. And we deleted the event, it's true. Let's see which one has events. This one? Oh, and it's here. So right now I'm going to show you the code. I used Visual Studio Code. Well, I used HTML, CSS, Sass, no JavaScript. And so I created 3 routes: index, showbound, and event. You get to see it here. I used the get and post methods, and also I created different methods to make the functionalities. And so each route had its respective controllers. For example, here on the left is the index route, and then the right is the index controllers, where I made all the functionalities. I used multi library for the process of the files, and also here's the connection to the database that I named bands, and also I use bcrypt library for the encryption of the password. So you get to see it here also. These are the views: the band, the edit, the index, the join, and the style sheets. It's in public here, all the CSS and Sass, and also the where the images, when they uploaded their events and band image, would be saved. And these are the images that I used for the background, etc. So I hope that you liked it as much as I did, and for the next video, hopefully it will be the video of the last project, the final project of the bootcamp. So thank you very much. Bye.